Dear students, in this session, we'll discuss about the earthquake. First, I'll introduce, give introduction about the earthquake. Technically, earthquakes may be defined as vibrations induced in the Earth's crust due to internal or external causes that virtually shake up a part of the crust and all the structures and living and non-living things existing on it. These vibrations often induce in the ground actual movements, acceleration, which are generally of short duration, rarely exceeding 1 minute. They are greatly variable in intensity, magnitude, and direction. Civilizations throughout the history have been gripped with fear of earthquakes because of their devastating effects. These are the strongest, quickest, and most unexpected of natural calamities. The earliest documented earthquake in uh, the China in 1556 killed 8,30,000 people in a matter of minutes. Since then, a number of major earthquakes have visited Japan, Indonesia, Russia, and adjoining states. Italy, India, and many other parts of the world, leaving behind trails of destruction and devastation. In the 20th century alone, hundreds of thousands of people were killed in different parts of the world due to earthquakes in seconds. In each case, and much larger number crippled for life. The Gujarat earthquakes of 26 January 2001, when the country was to celebrate its Republic Day, shook the psyche of the country, killing and injuring more than 100,000 persons in a single day. The study of earthquakes is of special significance for an engineering geologist and a civil engineer in that they are required to ascertain the factors that lead to earthquake tremors, predict the occurrence of an earthquake, and design and provide such structures that will afford protection during an earthquake for the human life. Seismology, the science dealing with the study of earthquake in all their aspects, is called seismology. It is an interdisciplinary science which is partly geology and partly physics. The word seismic is commonly used to qualify anything related to an earthquake, such as seismic waves, seismic intensity, seismic zoning, seismic region, and so on. Focus and earth focus. An earthquake is generally due to some disturbance of or displacement in the rocks at some depth below the surface of the earth. Dear students, look at the screen. The diagram is showing. It shows the focus, epicenter, and the depth. Shock waves originate from the place or point of disturbance and then travel in all directions causing the vibrations. The place or point of origin of an earthquake below the surface of the earth is termed as its focus. What is focus? The place or point of origin of an earthquake below the surface of the earth is termed as its focus, or it is called as hypocenter. In modern seismology, focus signifies a zone rather than a point of origin. It may lie from a few hundred meters to hundreds of kilometers below the surface. Next is epicenter. What is epicenter? The point or place on the surface vertically above the focus of a particular earthquake is termed as its epicenter. I'll repeat. Epicenter, the point or place on the surface vertically above the focus of a particular earthquake is termed as its epicenter. It is that geographical place on the surface of the earth where the vibrations from a particular earthquake reach first of all. It is often the location of maximum damages in that event. As regards the distance from epicenter to focus or depth of focus, it has been observed from the study of seismic records that no earthquake with a focus deeper than 700 meter has been recorded so far. Majority of the earthquakes of the past had the fall lying within 50 kilometer. Only a very few earthquakes had their focal lying between 300 to 700 kilometer. Seismic waves. During each earthquake, elastic waves are generated at the focus. These waves are called seismic waves and they travel in all directions with their characteristic velocities. It is now a well established fact that seismic waves are of three main types, abbreviated as the P waves, the S waves, and the L waves. Regarding these seismic waves, the types of seismic waves, let us discuss in the next session. Thank you.